guys? Vinaldo here. So, interesting stuff going on right now in the Bitcoin market. So let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go on higher time frames. So basically, I've been telling you guys, I've been bullish. I've been telling you guys, look at the 3 day, that this scenario would probably happen, assuming we stay in the green on the 3 day, but unfortunately we're toying into the red here, which has me a bit worried, which has me really looking to enter a short position right now. The main position I'm still in is a long position. Took a lot of profits from that, just letting that ride. Um, been in that for a while, a long time. So just putting profits on and taking them off since 30K. But now, if we have this VWAP crossover down on the 3 day, I mean, when's the last time something like that happened? I mean, there's every time it seems to happen, crossing down, you seem to go down a lot. But it's not completely out of the question to because we do have the momentum wave coming up here, not completely out of the question to somehow come back and resume. But I don't like how we're going into the red here. That's just not good. 2 day, that looks a little bit better. VWAP coming down, but we're still coming up with the money flow. I mean, the money flow is the most important thing here. We're still coming up, but a red dot. These mean business. These usually, this would probably have us, assuming this gets confirmed in a day, have us come down to, probably a bare minimum 41, 42, most likely. Um, so probably a good short opportunity coming up. Daily is still in the green. Daily still looks all right. I mean, you have the VWAP going down. That's only negative here in the daily. Um, daily doesn't have me too worried. Even if we zoom in here, look, green coming up. That does not have me worried. You would kind of more like the green to come up higher like this. That would be the bullish case. But yeah, now it's like the 4 hour. So 4 hour, this has me a bit worried. It looks like in all likelihood we're going to cross over into the red in the 4 hour, and that means business. I mean, here, it got choppy, okay, but we still, it's a great short opportunity. I mean, right, you probably, what was the percentage there? I mean, right when it crossed over, you got about, what was that? I mean, you have a good 5%. If you took your first profits there, 3%, 10x leverage, 30% gains. So that's nice. Right now it's tough to really say. Right now, I mean, some people probably, seeing the VWAP come down, seeing money flow going down, want to short. I mean, I'm not the type of person who tries to short at levels of support unless I really like what I'm seeing. Back to the 15 minute now. This this doesn't look too bad. So usually a lot of times you get I mean, this could get choppy, but a lot of times you'll come up and it looks like it's coming up, but you come back down for a little bit and then you'll come up. So when would that happen? Pretty soon. I mean, maybe it's a short time frame, so you wouldn't really make the argument for a double bottom pattern unless you're price scalp trading. But something like this, maybe what time would that be tonight? Around 8 p.m. You may have a nice come up, but I mean, at the same time, we could cross over on the 4 hour into the red, which is not good. So, what am I doing? Well, I'm still waiting with my long position. If this crosses over into the red, I'm really going to be looking to short. If we lose this spider line of support, I'm really going to be looking to short. If this goes deeper into the red here on the 15 minutes, if we don't even come up on the 10 minute, this I do kind of like this for the bullish case. I mean, it's not unlikely, to get, the four yellow X's maybe come down to these levels, come back up. It's tough to say. I know Crypto Face posted in his Discord. It's tough to say right now. This is one of those interesting times. Now let's look at ETH. ETH is looking significantly worse, in my opinion. I mean, we're crossing into the red, so this is probably a good position to short. I'm currently not short on ETH, although I probably should. You may be right. This would be the perfect time for me to usually go short. I was almost about to earlier. I may go short as soon as, not financial advice, but I personally may go short as soon as this video ends on this 15 here. Got to draw some lines of support and resistance as well. In terms of altcoins, what am I doing? I took some profits on Matic. I don't like this blood diamond here. I also, on the daily on Matic, I don't like the VWAP going down, but I only took a little bit of profits. I took about 25% of my position. I mean, I bought it back here, so I made I made a good amount. I made a good amount, 50% gain about. So I'm going to take some profits there. I don't, it still looks okay. We're still in the green on the daily, but obviously anything can happen. I mean, if you come up, this much from here, what is this? I mean, you come up 140%, in all likelihood, you're probably going to come down back down to a dollar or something like that. So take some profits here. DOT, I took a little bit of profits. I'm not as bearish on DOT. I took a little bit of profits because I just made so much money on it. Only about took about 25% of the position out. Ideally, I'd like to hold on to these altcoins for my original prediction, which would be well, that would be October if it does play out to the end of the bull run, or at least a few more weeks. Given let me show you the 4 hour. Yeah, at least a few more weeks given with this 4 hour crossover. Maybe maybe September or something like that. But yeah, I didn't take any profits on Link. I kind of like it because I Link I see is like the one of the best like long term things, but they're all basically looking the same. Basically, I made the most money on Matic and Dot, so I took some profits there. Still, cautiously waiting. Probably should take a shave off a little bit on ADA and Link. Altcoins are obviously the toughest to predict, but yeah, we really got to see how it plays out here. 3 LXs, we have a fourth or fifth sometimes. Well, there's a small time period. Usually, that technique I showed you in another video, the 4 LX is usually that works the best on like the 15-minute to the hour time frames, I believe. Hour, if you have 4 or 5 LXs, that's a good signal. You're gonna get a trend reversal. You're gonna come back up. So hard to say right now. That's the total climate of this market. Just a hard situation on our hands right now. Let me look without the spider lines. So it's but yeah, if this not financial advice, but ETH, I'm really looking to go short right now. Bitcoin, if this crosses over, I'm really looking to go short. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, please subscribe. Check out my links below if this seems really complicated to you. There's a great course, the course I took to learn to trade. It's by Jason Casper. He goes over all the things you need to know, technical analysis, and all the interpret all this stuff. It's the best course I know of. If you know any others, let me know. But that's the best one I've had luck with. If you don't have Market Cipher, link in the description below. If you haven't signed up to BITGET or FEMEX, or if you want to create a new account, links below. I get a kickback, you get a kickback, and a few other links below, all things that I use and have benefited from. All right, guys, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.